Have you ever asked your phone for directions? Maybe you were in a new city, trying to find a restaurant, or perhaps you were just looking for the quickest route home. Or told your smart speaker to play your favorite song? Imagine the convenience of simply saying, "Play my workout playlist," and instantly hearing your favorite tunes. If so, congratulations, you've already used AI. These small interactions are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the capabilities of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's becoming a bigger part of our everyday lives. From the way we communicate to how we manage our homes, AI is everywhere. AI is subtly woven into the fabric of our routines, making them smoother and more efficient. It helps us schedule our days, reminds us of important tasks, and even suggests what we might want to eat for dinner. Like an invisible helper, it's always there, lending a hand and making things just a little bit easier. Whether it's through voice commands, predictive text, or personalized recommendations, AI is designed to enhance our lives in countless ways. So next time you use your phone or smart device, remember the invisible helper working behind the scenes. So, what exactly is AI? In simple terms, it's like teaching computers to think and learn like humans. Imagine giving a computer a massive cookbook. It can then analyze all the recipes, understand ingredient combinations, and even suggest new dishes based on your preferences. That's AI, in a nutshell, training machines to process information and make decisions. The more data it processes, the smarter it becomes, constantly learning and improving its abilities. AI is already transforming our homes into smarter, more responsive environments. Think smart assistants like Alexa or Siri. They answer your questions, set reminders, and even control your home appliances. Need to preheat the oven while stuck in traffic? AI to the rescue. Imagine coming home to a perfectly lit house, the temperature adjusted to your liking, all thanks to AI learning your preferences. That's the power of AI at home, making life more comfortable and convenient. Section 4: AI in Health, a Healthier You. In this segment, we will explore how artificial intelligence is transforming the healthcare industry, making it more efficient, accessible, and personalized for everyone. AI is revolutionizing healthcare, making it more accessible and personalized. From diagnostic tools that help doctors identify diseases more accurately, to health apps that provide personalized health advice, AI is at the forefront of this transformation. Fitness trackers and smartwatches use AI to monitor our activity levels, sleep patterns, and even heart rates. These devices collect data throughout the day, providing us with valuable insights into our health and helping us make informed decisions about our lifestyle. By analyzing this data, AI can offer personalized recommendations to improve our sleep quality, optimize our workouts, and maintain a healthy heart. This continuous monitoring and feedback loop empowers us to take control of our health like never before. Telemedicine platforms leverage AI to connect patients with doctors remotely, making healthcare more convenient, especially for those in remote areas. These platforms can analyze patient data, predict potential health issues, and even provide preliminary diagnoses, ensuring timely medical intervention. AI can even assist in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images. Advanced algorithms can detect anomalies in X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans with remarkable accuracy, often spotting issues that might be missed by the human eye. This not only helps doctors make faster and more accurate diagnoses, but also allows for early detection of diseases, which can be crucial for successful treatment. By integrating AI into healthcare, we are paving the way for a healthier future for all. Section 5: AI at Work, Boosting Productivity. Remember the days of sifting through mountains of emails? AI is streamlining our work lives too. Email filters powered by AI learn to identify and prioritize important messages, keeping our inboxes clutter-free. Project management tools use AI to assign tasks, track progress, and even predict potential delays. By automating repetitive tasks, AI frees up our time and mental energy, allowing us to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors. Section 6: AI in Entertainment, your personalized entertainment hub. Ever wonder how Spotify seems to know your taste in music so well? Or how Netflix recommends movies you might actually enjoy? That's AI at work again. Streaming services use AI to analyze your listening and viewing habits, creating personalized recommendations tailored to your preferences. This means less time browsing and more time enjoying the content you love. AI is making entertainment more engaging and personalized than ever before. Section 7: AI, a friend in our corner. In conclusion, AI might seem complex, but its goal is simple: to make our lives easier and more fulfilling. Imagine waking up in the morning and having your AI assistant already preparing your schedule, reminding you of important tasks, and even suggesting the best route to work to avoid traffic. From our homes to our workplaces, AI is becoming an indispensable partner, automating tasks, providing valuable insights, and connecting us with the information and services we need. In the office, AI can help analyze vast amounts of data, making it easier for businesses to make informed decisions. At home, smart devices can control lighting, temperature, and even security, creating a more comfortable and safe living environment. As AI continues to evolve, it holds the promise of solving some of humanity's greatest challenges, from healthcare to climate change. In the medical field, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately and developing personalized treatment plans. Environmental scientists use AI to monitor and predict climate patterns, helping us to better understand and combat climate change. So, embrace the future and the incredible potential of AI. It's not just about convenience, it's about creating a better world. Imagine cities where traffic flows smoothly thanks to AI-managed transportation systems, or where energy consumption is optimized to reduce waste and protect our planet. It's here to stay, and it's here to help. As we continue to integrate AI into our daily lives, we can look forward to a future where technology and humanity work hand in hand to achieve greater heights. So let's welcome AI as a friend in our corner, ready to assist and enhance our lives in ways we never thought possible.